chocolate's journey, from Mayans to modern sweet delight. The origin of chocolate can be traced back to ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, particularly the Olmec, Maya, and Aztec cultures. These civilizations, primarily located in present-day Mexico and Central America, were the first to cultivate and use cacao beans to make a beverage. 1. Olmec Civilization, 1500 BCE, 400 BCE. The Olmec civilization is considered one of the earliest Mesoamerican cultures. While there isn't direct evidence of chocolate consumption, archaeological findings suggest that the Olmecs may have used cacao for medicinal or ritualistic purposes. 2. Maya Civilization, 2000 BCE, 1500 CE. The Maya people played a significant role in the development and consumption of chocolate. They are believed to be the first to have cultivated cacao on a large scale. The Maya used cacao to make a frothy, bitter beverage known as zacatl. This drink was often flavored with chili peppers and vanilla and was consumed in both everyday life and sacred ceremonies. 3. Aztec Civilization, 14th to 16th centuries. The Aztecs adopted the use of cacao from the Maya and integrated it into their culture. They called the beverage zacatl, a term derived from the Nahuatl language. Aztec Emperor Montezuma II is often associated with the extravagant consumption of chocolate. He reportedly drank large quantities of zacatl daily and believed it had aphrodisiacal properties. 4. Spanish Conquest, 16th century. When Spanish explorer Hernán Cortés arrived in the Aztec Empire, he encountered chocolate and brought it back to Spain. However, the bitter taste was initially unpopular among Europeans. Over time, the addition of sugar and other sweeteners helped make chocolate more palatable in Europe. 5. European transformation, 17th to 19th centuries. Chocolate became a popular beverage among the European elite, with specialized chocolate houses emerging in major cities. The development of solid chocolate bars and other confections occurred in the 19th century, thanks to innovations in processing techniques and the addition of milk powder. 6. Mass production, 19th to 20th centuries. The Industrial Revolution brought about the mass production of chocolate, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Companies like Cadbury, Nestle, and Hershey's played pivotal roles in shaping the modern chocolate industry. 7. Modern era *. Today, chocolate is enjoyed worldwide in various forms, including bars, truffles, and other confections. The production and consumption of chocolate continue to evolve, with a growing focus on sustainable and ethically sourced cacao. From its ancient roots in Mesoamerica to its global popularity today, chocolate has undergone a fascinating journey shaped by diverse cultures and innovations across the centuries.